Hi guys, Strange RV Tours. I'm Janet, my husband Greg, but we have a problem with our drapes due to a cat that we have in here, very young cat, but I'll show you what we're doing, and we're in the process of replacing drapes, and it's not going to cost an arm and a leg. So anyway, take a look.
Okay, so you want to show them what our wonderful little kitty cat did?
Yeah. We took these down. They're messed up anyway because we had a leak in the windshield when we bought the RV. But this is what she did. One whole panel shredded. And I tacked it up a little bit, and I mean, they're so old, they're starting to fall apart. So, see?
She saw a bug on our drapes and jumped up to get the bug and hooked her claws into the drapes and just pulled them apart.
Yeah. So anyway, we looked online, tried to find replacements for, well, anywhere from almost $500 to $1,000, whatever, you know, depending on you want blackout, whatever.
And that was just for our front windshield drapes.
Yeah, just the front. Anyway, those are totally messed up. I mean, they're really nice, pleated and everything. But this is what we came up with. These. When we, instead of being $500, more like $60. These panels, we got 3 sets. Because we need 192 inches apparently on the railing, and the hooks, we already had the hooks, and on the railing we have the little eyelets to roll around, but these are way too long. I mean, these are 63, we don't need them that long, so I need them like 50, 51. So we're doing a little hem job on these. Anyway, I'll show you the process.
And where did we get those?
Oh, we got these at Walmart's. Yeah. They have all kinds. These aren't pleated. They are to take a regular rail through the top. We're improvising. And we'll show you how. But so far, we've done half. And it's working out. So we wanted to do a video and show you guys what we've done. Right? So
let's show them what we've done so far.
Yeah.
These over here are the old draperies.
Yeah, and they're stained from the water leaks anyway. And the other side is replaced now with these panels.
Yeah, and this is the new side over here, the dark brown.
Yeah.
I actually think it looks better than the light color myself.
Okay guys, since these are way too long, this one panel, what I did is mark it 10 inches, and then I drew a line with a straight edge. It's not like I have a whole sewing kit or anything. And here's our little brat cat that did all the damage.
Oh my gosh.
That's Brownie.
That was her nose.
Yeah. Anyway, she's into everything. She's really young. So, you know, she's come a long ways, but when it comes to little, you know, flies or anything, she's after them. I don't care if they're on the ceiling. She'll crawl the walls. But anyway, this is what I did. I marked it, and now I'm going to cut it. I just cut it all the way, and then I'll fold it over and pin it, and then stitch it with a little handheld sewing machine. Yeah, I just fold it over and pin it all the way across. is my little sewing machine. Just barely a little plastic, little Singer sewing handheld. But I can't hold the fabric and the machine at the same time, so I kind of got it rigged here. Going. I pull as I go. There we go. Yeah, if I could just. There we go. It's sewing. Kinda. Okay, keep going. Okay. That's okay, you can let it drop, baby.
Let me get on this side now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's doing alright. Ready? Past the edge. Okay, now Greg's gonna take these drapes off the hooks. They got the little hooks and little rollers stay up there with the little eyes in it. But we just take this off and remove the hooks. His hands are a lot better than mine. You know, these draperies are probably the original draperies because the material itself seems to be degrading.
21 years old.
Yeah. Then we had the little hooks up here. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. Really can't. But they're there. Yeah, he just pulls the hooks, throws them in a bowl, and then there we go. And he'll reattach them to the other new fabric. Okay, now he's putting the hooks in, and the pleats on the old drapes were about 4 inches, so just sliding them through. Just about hit the top. No, Gordy, he's busy. Come on, kitty. Always in the way. Come on, down. He measures with a pen. But and he just puts the hooks on, slides them through the fabric. Be no biggie.
All right, so we're gonna start putting these drapes back up. We just hook these hooks into the eyelets one at a time. There we go. Oop, first one came off. Okay. There we go.
Easy peasy. Yeah, get them all hooked up. We'll see how they hang, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Been trying to get them shipped out. You know, who knows where we'd be, you know. Awesome. Okay, we'll just keep going with that for now. Okay. Hey, awesome. Already up, huh?
Yes. Complete.
See how they go. Yeah? Looks like it's working. Yeah? Just about a couple inches here. There's Brownie, see? She's just gonna...
Already ready to tear them up again.
Yeah, apparently. What do you think? I think they're awesome. I think they're just great. There's the flashlight.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how they turned out.
Yeah, they look good. Awesome. I might stitch them together, I might not. I mean, yeah, that'll work.
Okay, so we hope that you enjoyed our little project that we did here today. It really wasn't that difficult. Janet is the seamstress here. It's been a long time since she's done any sewing, but we think they turned out really good. And we probably saved ourselves $400 to $600. It took about a day, about a half a day to do. But it's really not that bad a project. And if you have animals, have cats that like to mess up your curtains, these are a lot less expensive to replace than it is to buy the custom ones. So
Yeah.
anyhow, I hope this helps you out. This is Janet and Greg. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you like all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell up in the corner so that you get notifications as to our future videos. Have a nice day, and we'll see you later.